silence, please.
Silence!
Ready, taking. Silence and slated.
Silence!
Baylon, who was the sound designer of the film, he had a really tough time because we were shooting on real location.
Silence! Chalna fira one place.
For us to get lockdowns on the sound, and he would not get his shot right because he needs to get the dialogues clearly, and there's so much honking and blaring of noises and crowd noises in the back that sometimes it was impossible to lock it down. And it was quite nightmarish for him, but I think we pulled it through.
Silence, everyone, and welcome.
So what we're doing here is we've finished shooting all the scenes with the kids practicing. Time for effects to be recorded, which you can't record while the shoot's going on. So what we've got is a mic on my right, okay, for mostly the ball, the hitting of the ball. There's a mic on the right and the left, recording separate. There's a stereo mic up here. It's going two channels. For the proximity, you've got one wireless, like a stump mic, and there's one mic right at the far end with the bowlers, so you get the run up. And so we're having fun actually. It's a day off, songs being recorded, and we are playing cricket. For me so far it's been a tough 15 days. The location's great, but there's the surrounding things that are the villages that are there, speakers blaring with music playing in the background, or some religious function, or the crowds, because we can't really seem to be able to communicate effectively with them, so the block is very tough. But looking at what we've shot so far and visually, sound-wise, I think it's fantastic.
You okay? You alive? You alive? Okay, check. This is sound. It's Baylon Fonseca. Inside.
Now you believe I can fit